初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
你好，我想预约一下。
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment.
Is this the dentist's office?
Is this the dentist's office?
这里是牙医诊所吗？
Is this the dentist's office?
Is this the dentist's office?
I need a haircut this week.
I need a haircut this week.
我这周需要理发。
I need a haircut this week.
I need a haircut this week.
Can I book a table for two?
Can I book a table for two?
我可以预订一张2人桌吗？
Can I book a table for two?
Can I book a table for two?
I'd like to see the doctor.
I'd like to see the doctor.
我想看医生。
I'd like to see the doctor.
I'd like to see the doctor.
Do you have time this Friday?
Do you have time this Friday?
你这周五有空吗？
Do you have time this Friday?
Do you have time this Friday?
What's the earliest slot you have?
What's the earliest slot you have?
你们最早的时间是什么时候？
What's the earliest slot you have?
What's the earliest slot you have?
Can I come in at p.m.?
Can I come in at p.m.?
我可以在下午3点来吗？
Can I come in at p.m.?
Can I come in at p.m.?
Please confirm my appointment.
Please confirm my appointment.
请确认我的预约。
Please confirm my appointment.
Please confirm my appointment.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
谢谢你的帮助。
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Excuse me, where is Main Street?
Excuse me, where is Main Street?
打扰一下，主街在哪里？
Excuse me, where is Main Street?
Excuse me, where is Main Street?
Is there a bank nearby?
Is there a bank nearby?
附近有银行吗？
Is there a bank nearby?
Is there a bank nearby?
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
我怎么去车站？
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
你能在地图上指给我看吗？
Can you show me on the map?
Can you show me on the map?
Go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn left.
直走，然后左转。
Go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn left.
It's across from the supermarket.
It's across from the supermarket.
它在超市对面。
It's across from the supermarket.
It's across from the supermarket.
Walk past the library.
Walk past the library.
走过图书馆。
Walk past the library.
Walk past the library.
Take the second right.
Take the second right.
在第二个路口右转。
Take the second right.
Take the second right.
It's near the bus stop.
It's near the bus stop.
它在公交站附近。
It's near the bus stop.
It's near the bus stop.
You can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
你不会错过的。
You can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
Is this the right address?
Is this the right address?
这个地址对吗？
Is this the right address?
Is this the right address?
What's the name of this place?
What's the name of this place?
这个地方叫什么名字？
What's the name of this place?
What's the name of this place?
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
你能重复一遍吗？
Can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please?
Is it open on weekends?
Is it open on weekends?
周末开门吗？
Is it open on weekends?
Is it open on weekends?
What's the phone number?
What's the phone number?
电话号码是多少？
What's the phone number?
What's the phone number?
Are you open today?
Are you open today?
今天营业吗？
Are you open today?
Are you open today?
Can I speak to the manager?
Can I speak to the manager?
我可以和经理说话吗？
Can I speak to the manager?
Can I speak to the manager?
Is there parking available?
Is there parking available?
有停车位吗？
Is there parking available?
Is there parking available?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
需要多长时间？
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
When should I arrive?
When should I arrive?
我应该什么时候到？
When should I arrive?
When should I arrive?
May I ask who's calling?
May I ask who's calling?
请问您是哪位？
May I ask who's calling?
May I ask who's calling?
I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later.
我稍后给你回电话。
I'll call you back later.
I'll call you back later.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
抱歉，我没听清楚。
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
你能说慢一点吗？
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
The line is not very clear.
The line is not very clear.
线路不太清楚。
The line is not very clear.
The line is not very clear.
Please hold for a moment.
Please hold for a moment.
请稍等。
Please hold for a moment.
Please hold for a moment.
He's not available right now.
He's not available right now.
他现在没空。
He's not available right now.
He's not available right now.
Can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
我可以留言吗？
Can I leave a message?
Can I leave a message?
Thanks for calling today.
Thanks for calling today.
感谢您今天的来电。
Thanks for calling today.
Thanks for calling today.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
很快再聊。再见。
Talk to you soon. Bye.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。